How to see blocked users on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see the blocked users on Discord easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this option. Now right here you will find many options, but all what you have to do is choose the second one. It's my account. Now right here you will find many options. All what you have to do is go down and you will find a blocked users option. Click on it and here you will find your blocked users. It's actually very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.